Hey, this is D, also known as the Legal. Hope you're doing well today. Do you have a home-based business? Are you looking to start one? Either scenario, it's good for you to have a all-in-one profits marketing system. And you say, well, why is that? You get a pro autoresponder web hosting, advertising, all the marketing web tools, list building and cache, complete marketing platform, and you get 100% profits on each referral. I want you to take a look at what you get here for $11.50 a month. $11.50 a month, which is about 38 cents a day. Here's what you get for that $11.50 a month. Premium web hosting. Got a pro double opt-in autoresponder. There are some autoresponders that are 3 or 4 times as much as what this is. This is tools that anybody needs that's going to work a home-based business. It eliminates you having to figure all of this out, which I've tried, and yeah, I'm not designed for that. You get the AIOP Splash Squeeze Builder, the AIOP Tracker. That way you don't have to go chasing it. Downline Builder, the Rotator, AIOP Library. Look at all this that you get. You can build a residual income with this. $10 plus referral, and yours is free. You can build a residual income with this. I got residual bills. I need residual income. Ever heard of Netflix? They built a huge business on an inexpensive product. This is not Netflix, obviously, but what I'm saying is it can really help anybody with a tool that you really need. That's my point. You need a tool like this if you're going to do a long online business. All the basic level products and services, plus drag and drop landing page and website builder, photo slider maker, video squeeze creator, web video testimonials, platinum audio video. Now, you have done for you campaigns that I didn't know what they were until I started learning more about this. What that means for somebody like me is I don't have to go in and write these emails. Somebody signs up to get some more information, it sends it to them. You may know this already. I didn't. Sends it to them already on a timely basis, and that way they are learning about it and makes it so much easier. Take a look at this. Really want you to consider it where it doesn't matter where you're in the world. And I'm sure your area is like mine. The world has changed and you need other ways to earn income. And this is something, the company's been around a while. So they know what they're doing and they do right by the people, which is, you got to have that. Look forward to talking with you about it. My information will be included. And this is, I like this because it can be, this sounds kind of cliche-ish, but people helping people. It's what we got to have in the world we live in now. It's that's where we're at, and we need that. Thanks for taking time to check this out. Look forward to speaking with you. Enjoy your day.